Welcome back, everyone. We'll be working in the tractor shop today. Uh, I'm uh got to change out the wire in my welder or get it ready because I ordered some different wire. Actually, the correct wire. Uh, I've been running gas wire without gas, and for those that are professional welders, you're probably gonna be like, "What did he just say?" Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know. Need to call Lincoln and see if they can find me the correct part for this welder. I think it was a wing nut that I lost. But see, as you can see, besides the wheels broke, that probably doesn't help. But that's gas wire, and I'm not using gas, so that's where a lot of my welding problems come from. So, went to the company I bought that stuff from, which actually I think I ordered the correct wire, and they ended up mailing me gas wire. So technically they should replace it, but they're not. Uh, asked them for a sponsorship, they haven't came back to me about. If you're wondering what this little black thing is on my hat, that's the microphone, so you guys can hear me. I had it on my shirt the last time, and it's where I usually put it, but the audio sucked. Because I was making little YouTube shorts out of the big video, and I could hear it, and it sucked. So, something was going on with that. And, yeah. Okay, so that is ready for the welding wire, which I just shipped. So, there ain't an update on the tracking on it yet. So, no, but we gotta prep these racks that go to the 90. And also got a socket set on the way that has sockets. I need to take them parts off. So, gotta test that out. Just go around, see if you find anything out of the ordinary. I mean, there is a couple dents. I mean, I could weld up the dents, but it goes on an ATV rack. It's an ATV rack, so just gonna get scratched up again, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but I want it presentable. So. Ordered some Rust-Oleum. Gonna go ahead and put in the paint shaker. Which I am probably gonna move this paint shaker down to the garage or the other shop. Because I'm thinking about also getting a sandblast cabinet and a shop press. So I was thinking about putting all these down there. Because really don't. There's no air compressor over here. This airline's like 200 feet of airline going to the closest air compressor. As you can see, it's moving around. Now we should be able to take it and start spraying. What? Oh.